The line is represented by x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. This is the line. It intersects x-axis and y-axis respectively at P and Q, and we have to find out the midpoint of P and Q. Here, if you will see, first we have to find out the coordinates of P and then the coordinates of Q. After getting the coordinates, we can apply the midpoint formula. First we have to find out the coordinates of P. That means it intersects x-axis at point P, and we know that on x-axis, you have to remember this, on x-axis y coordinate is equal to 0. So you put here first case y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then we will have x by 4 will be equal to 1. X by 4 is equal to 1. Or x will be equal to 4. So the P point has the coordinates x4 and y0. This is the point P that we got now. For point Q, if we will see, it intersects y-axis at point, the line intersects y-axis at point Q. So on y-axis, we know that x is equal to 0. If we will put x is equal to 0 here, then we will get 0 by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. This implies y by 6 is equal to 1, or y is equal to 6 after cross multiplication. Now, the coordinates of Q is x is 0 and y is 6. That is 0, 6. This is the coordinates of Q. If we will plot it, you see here x is 4 and y is 6 here. If we will plot them, this is the line where this is having coordinates 4 and 0, and this is having coordinates 0 and 6. This is point P and this is point Q. Now we have to take the midpoint of it. Now by midpoint formula, if you will see, midpoint formula tells that x will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. These are the midpoint formula. Now we can find the midpoints. This is coordinates x1 y, this is xy I take. P is suppose x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So the xy will be equal to, x will be equal to 4 plus 0 by 2, which is equal to 2. Similarly, y is equal to, y1 is 0 plus 6 y2, y2 is 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Hence, the coordinates of the midpoint will be, midpoint will have the coordinates x2 and y3. This is the actually option A.